In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gift card to Temu easily. If you've ever wanted to use a gift card to make purchases on Temu, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through each step in a clear and straightforward manner, ensuring you can confidently incorporate your gift card into the checkout process. To begin with, make sure you have the Temu app downloaded and installed on your device. Once that's ready, go ahead and open the app. Navigating to the Temu platform is your first step. If you've been here before, you'll be familiar with the categories and the ease of use that Temu offers, making it a breeze to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, peruse the items available and select the one you wish to purchase. Temu offers a wide range of products, so you're bound to find something that catches your eye. Once you've made your choice, it's time to move on to the buying process. Click on Buy Now. This will take you directly to the checkout page where you'll have various options to finalize your purchase. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred mode of payment. This is where your gift card will come into play, so pay attention here. Among the options, click on the card method. This may seem like an extra step, but it's necessary to access the area where you'll input your card information. Once you've selected the card option, you'll need to type in your card number. This usually refers to the standard debit or credit card linked to your account or the main payment source. Don't worry, Temu makes it easy to navigate through this step, with clear fields to fill in your information accurately. Now here's the moment you've been waiting for, adding your gift card code. Look for the section where you can input the code provided with your gift card. This will apply its balance towards your purchase, potentially reducing the amount your original payment method will cover. Finally, and importantly, you'll tap on Apply to ensure that your gift card code is activated. By clicking Apply, the system will automatically adjust your purchase total to reflect the gift card's value, and there you have it. Your gift card is now applied, making your Temu purchase that little bit more special. Remember, this process can save you money and makes buying on Temu even more enjoyable. Keep an eye out for that confirmation that pops up, letting you know your gift card has been successfully applied. You're now ready to finish your transaction and await your ordered items. Happy shopping, and may your Temu experience be both smooth and satisfactory.